When I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the long-awaited nursery makeover video. I am 32 weeks pregnant when I filmed this video, and it was about time that we started getting the nursery set up. This video is going to be the nursery makeover, and then I'll do a separate video soon where I kind of share the reveal and the final product, and I'll walk you through everything in the nursery, tell you where every little piece is from, and give you links to those items as well. This video is going to be just setting up the nursery, and I really wanted to do it on a budget. It was important to me to not spend a ton of money on this nursery and to use what I already had, which fortunately we had quite a bit of stuff already because this is our third baby. I'll go into detail a little bit later in the video, but not everything that I'm showing you today I ended up keeping. Some stuff I ended up switching out or trying something different, but I left it in this video because I wanted you guys to see the thought process that I had in setting things up and just show you that it doesn't happen for me right away. A lot of times I have to play with things and see it for myself in the space to then make a decision whether I like it or whether I want to try something different. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you are not already. I do have lots of baby related videos coming up soon, including a what's in my hospital bag video, possibly a newborn's must have. I'll probably do some baby watch videos, and then of course there will be a birth vlog. And I know you don't want to miss any of those videos. You can also follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. And there I keep you guys more up to date and in the loop on how this pregnancy is going. And once I go into labor, you'll probably find out on Instagram first. So the first thing that we did was clear out the entire room. We've been using this nursery as a storage room ever since we moved into this new house, which was at the end of June. And then I wanted to make sure that the whole room was spotless and clean, so I vacuumed, mopped, and I wiped down the baseboards and blinds.
There's nothing to fear if you try, if you keep believing, like rain falling soft from the sky. I'll tend to your needs. We can live here. We can die. We can live here. We can die. Oh, oh, so bright and awake. My heart levitates. 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 We can live here.
This rug was actually in Oakley's old room, but his new room is giant, and the rug is just too small for that space, so I think it's perfect for the nursery. And then this crib was actually Emmy's crib, and I'm still not decided whether I will keep this crib in here or if I will put Oakley's old crib in here. Oakley's old crib is a natural wood color, and it's from IKEA, and it's really cute. So I just kind of have to decide what look I really want to go with. But for now, we're setting up the white crib.
A flavor of a memory. Whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Wherever all my wishes may be heading, a part of us will never leave. Oh, wherever in the world you may be hiding, in a while I know you're coming home. Tonight I know you will be coming home. Ooh,
Thank you to Newton Baby for sponsoring today's video. I want to share with you guys the crib mattress that we will be using with baby number 3. And I honestly wish that I had this crib mattress with my other 2 babies, because there are some really cool things about this one that set it apart from any other crib mattress on the market. Being a parent to a newborn baby and just being a parent in general is already stressful enough. I know that with my other 2 babies, I was paranoid that my baby wasn't sleeping. I would catch myself waking up often throughout the night and just checking on my baby to make sure that it was safe and breathing. And so the cool thing about this Newton mattress is that it is completely breathable. In fact, independent tests were done, and it showed that a baby would get 97% more air breathing through a Newton mattress than any other traditional mattress out there. So that is gonna give me huge peace of mind this go around with baby number 3. A couple other reasons why breathability is so important. Number 1, obviously, it helps reduce suffocation risks. It keeps your baby from overheating and getting a sweaty back. And this one's really gross, but it stops accumulation of moisture from sweat that inevitably will grow mold. I didn't even think about this until I started doing more research on mattresses, and mold is an actual thing on mattresses. Newton Baby mattresses are completely washable, and they're the only mattress out there that is 100% washable. You can remove this outer layer. Right here is a zipper, and so you can remove the cover of the mattress, throw that in the washing machine, and then the core of the mattress you can throw in your bathtub or your shower and give it a good wash down there. So I will definitely be doing that now that I'm in the know. Because Newton Baby mattresses are completely washable, they will last you forever, and you can pass them down from generation to generation. But when you are done with your Newton Baby mattress, it is 100% recyclable. Another thing that's really important to me is that this mattress is made without foam, latex, or adhesives. So there's not going to be any off-gassing, and it's also hypoallergenic. So I'm really excited to be able to use this Newton Baby mattress for baby number 3. It's going to give me total peace of mind as a mom. Even though I've done this 3 times, there's always that fear in the back of my mind that my baby is not going to be able to breathe. I wanted to share this Newton Baby mattress with you guys because I know that I do tons and tons of researching for everything that I'm going to be using with my baby. So if you are on the hunt for a safe and washable mattress for your baby, then you can stop your research, because this is the one that you definitely want to get. If you are going to get a Newton Baby mattress, use the link in my description box below, and also use my code that you'll find in the description to get $50 off of your Newton Baby mattress plus free shipping. Also, you can try your Newton Baby mattress for 100 nights, and if you're not happy, then you can return it for free. P.S. To get your discount, you must enter your email immediately when you see the homepage pop up. Next, Andrew is setting up the dresser, and at this point he has put together so many IKEA furniture pieces that he is a professional. This is the smaller 3-drawered hemnes dresser from IKEA. I'm not gonna lie, I wish that I had gone with the larger hemnes dresser because number one, this smaller dresser does not fill the space like I wanted it to. And number two, once I put the changing pad on top of this dresser, there is no room for anything else on top of the dresser. So just word to the wise, if you're gonna use your dresser as a changing table as well, get a longer dresser. That way you have some more surface space to work with.
A flavor of a memory. Whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone.
I already had these curtain rods from Oakley's old nursery, and my original vision was to have a very neutral white nursery with touches of natural wood from baskets and other things, and then a bunch of gold accents. I don't love the gold, and neither did Andrew. Y'all let me know in the comments if you like the gold touches or if you think I should just change it all out and go black accents instead. Because I can change the curtain rod and the mirror back to black and it honestly just might look better. But y'all let me know. I already had this faux fiddle leaf fig tree as well, and I got this one from IKEA. So I brought this into the nursery, and this is one of my favorite parts of the nursery because I think it breaks up the neutrals and the whites really well and adds a pop of color, but in a natural way. This rocking chair we also already had. It's from Target, and this was Emmy's rocking chair when she was a baby. So we saved it and are using it in the nursery now. This side table we picked up on Craigslist, and this is gonna be our little nursing corner. I still plan to put some shelves on the wall and maybe decorate it with some books for a little bit more color, as well as maybe a natural looking plant or something. This wall gave me so much trouble, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know it also gave me a little bit of anxiety. I just didn't know how to fill this space. This wall is very large, and with the white dresser and the gold mirror, it just looked really empty. So I sat and I prayed and I tried to look online for things to fill the space, but I just didn't like anything that I found. And so I got up and I just started playing around with things that I already had. And I think that I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, and I honestly didn't have to spend any money because it was stuff that I already had on hand. I still need to get a changing pad cover, and I haven't decided if I want to go white here or if I want to get like a darker one and break up the color. I'm thinking I want to go darker. And I left this in the video, but I took off these black knobs off of the IKEA dresser, and I replaced them with some knobs that I had that are actually supposed to go in Emmy's room when I do her room makeover, but I wanted to see what gold hardware would look like, so I popped them on this dresser and left them on for a couple days, and then ultimately I decided that I really just liked the black, and so I did end up taking them off, but I thought I would leave it in just so you guys could see what this dresser looks like with gold knobs. I think it looks gorgeous, to be honest, but I feel like there's this odd disconnect between the boho and like the glam from the gold. Something was just throwing me off, so that's why I ended up taking the gold off and putting the black back on. And then the last thing I'm doing in this video is getting the baby clothes out and organized. I took everything out of the bins and separated them all into sizes. I actually am going to hang up clothes, put everything in drawers just so I can kind of see what I have. And then I will wash it, you know, maybe a week or so before baby comes.
You know I'm here to stay every single day. Wasn't I meant to lie in your arms here for a while? I'm alive and I take you in. I've been falling, when I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? Oh, was it a rainbow falling? When I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? I've been falling.
So that's going to be it for today's video. I know I'm leaving you on a cliffhanger, but you're just going to have to come back and watch the nursery reveal to see everything that I did to set up the nursery. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the nursery reveal. You can follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. I also have a wellness Instagram account at simplyessentials_Allie where I talk about all things wellness, non-toxic living, and I share a ton of DIYs there as well. And don't forget, I have a link in the description box below, plus a discount code to get $50 off of your Newton Baby crib mattress plus free shipping. All right, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.